So hi. Basically, I'm gonna be recording audio over this clip or the footage rather. Um, this is kind of just to give an explanation for lack of uploads that I did, which is a whoopsie, I guess. I don't know how to put it, but yeah. Basically, I want to explain a couple of things and use this video to explain a couple of things, as I said. Have I repeated myself yet? So yeah, this is gonna be a one take kind of thing, so no cutting kind of stuff. And if I have to redo it, I redo it. Anyway, the footage you're seeing on the screen now is basically a kind of time lapse that's just speed up by 4 times, just to kind of cover some details and stuff at the same time, but also so you can actually see what's going on. Unfortunately, there will be sometimes pixelating at times, as well as, for example, in this tunnel, you can kind of see it a little bit pixelated. Um, Unfortunately, the camera I'll be using was my at the time was my phone. There was also a setting that I didn't realize at the time, which was super steady, which you can kind of see at times. The camera auto adjusts itself at times. There's automatic settings already that I've just had it enabled for, but the steady mode as well, you can kind of see it angle itself at times or turn the camera when the bus is not moving at all. The audio was also muted for this because due to people being on the bus, because it is a public bus, I just decided to mute it, because there will be families or people talking about certain things and stuff like that. So just mute it just in case. I know my rights obviously for recording on a public vehicle. I know my rights for recording on a public road and pavement. Um, I can freely record and have anything that I want uploaded to the internet, because it is in the public space. So that means the audio as well. But morally speaking, I just rather not. Um, Even at that, I kind of want to use this video to just speak over a couple of things anyway. So yeah. So the first thing, you never uploaded the Modern Warfare first attempt playthrough. I never even recorded it. The reason for that is because, as you can kind of hear, I had a cough and I'm still kind of recovering from it. Um, it was just bad times at the same time, and yeah, it's fun. It's not great. It's fun. Um, yeah, hopefully it's not too bad. um, but I tried my best even to record the small stuff as well, and my throat was still killing me during that time, and I was still getting worse even after that. That was just the best time that I could record the audio. So yeah, fun. Um, Other than that, basically, I've been kind of doing a show at the same time as well, because obviously, as I mentioned with the previous video, I've got a show that I'm doing, and I've now done it. With the cough at the same time happening, dress rehearsals and having to speak so loud, not mic'd up by the way, so I had to speak as loud as I could, which at times made it a little bit easier to not sound like and all that stuff, like just so croaky and all that stuff. Like I like when I'm talking normally, it's like that. But when I'm speaking very loudly, like you can hear now, where the audio's peaking and all that stuff, yeah, it was a bit more easier to speak and get some emotion through that. And yeah, so yeah, did my best for the show, done what I can, but yeah, it's just some stuff, yeah. Yeah, this is kind of wanna cover for that. But the video will be coming out. The video will come out, if I've not said that already. Because I want to get the video out as soon as I can, but I'll probably likely do it a week after this video comes out, because I don't want to just smash a bunch of things together, edit together, and then just have two things come out at once. I kind of want to have some kind of consistency. So whether that's a week after this video's supposed to come out, then I'll do that instead. I know I could just upload it in the order, but I still want to make this video on time and just give a rough explanation, because I might as well do it now instead of later. And yeah, kind of the main thing I just want to cover. Can you even hear them now? Still coughing. But I'm trying my best. Anyway, The video is kind of gonna come up towards the end here, and like about a minute roughly. So I'll kind of wrap up things by saying the video will come out. I'll get it soon. Don't worry. Will I be using a controller? Will I be using a keyboard? Who knows? Because even I don't know. And hopefully it sounds a little bit better. Hopefully the recording goes great for that as well. And yeah, the reason this video also cuts at the end, by the way, at a set of traffic lights at the red lights, is which you'll see, is because I did drop the phone at one point after that point. So yeah, whoops. Oh well. But yeah, so I do have other clips I'll be doing for time lapse stuff as well, and eventually, but when that's when the time comes. So yeah. So I hope if anyone wants to suggest things to me, whether to upload new things or different types of things or places to go to, feel free to. I can change the schedule at any time if I want to, but I do want to try keep to it. But I'll try my best. So yeah, suggest things, comment things, like or whatever. I don't care. Just do something. As long as I got something, I don't really care. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, bullshit like that. I don't know. I never know what to do with these kind of videos. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. Bye.